purchase this vehicle and you will feel like the first owner, very proud to say you own it. Our dealership has run an independent report on this vehicle and stands by its current reading. There are no reported manufacturer defects on this vehicle. It appears that this vehicle lived in a smoker-free environment. The paint on this vehicle has not been altered and is original from front to back. There is no damage present on this vehicle. This is a true cream puff with not even a door ding evident. There is some slight weathering, but still looks sharp. This vehicle shifts like a vehicle was meant to shift, perfect. There is a properly functioning engine in this vehicle. Our technicians found no electrical problems.